Claire at Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to another little unboxing video. This has been sent to me by the guys over at Outdoor Tide. I've loved all of the stuff that they sent me so far, and so I'm hoping no different to this. I did just want to say on the front of this video, I know that I have been missing from YouTube for quite a few weeks now. Just to let you guys know, I think I've said in videos before, my health hasn't been always been that great. I'm just putting it out there. I have actually just been diagnosed with cancer. Everything's cool. I've got a treatment plan. Everything's under control, but my days are all over the place with my pain levels, and so it's not been that easy for me to be able to come and film videos. And when I am able to film, it's going to be unboxings like this, so I can do this in 10 minutes. Whip and chats are not going to happen. I can't sit here for lengthy periods of time because of the pain that I'm in. So I hope you guys understand that it will just kind of be just unboxings for the minute, whilst I navigate everything and get used to the medication that I'm on and that sort of thing. So anyway, let's get to unboxing these videos. And another thing is the medication makes me very crazy, a bit woozy, and so I come out with the most random words. So if I start saying random words, just ignore me and move on. I'm going to unbox these products, paintings, projects, whatever they are. So I'm going to take a look at this one second because I'm super excited. That's something slightly different. And we're going to have a look at this one first. So this one is a diamond painting. So let's get this one out and let's unravel. So we have I got this the right way up? I don't even know. Oh, here we go. Okay, this is not going to be all on the screen, but you're going to get the gist. You're going to get the gist of it. It is a Christmas scene. So it's like a town square sort of thing. It's 50 by 65, and I know it's got ABs in it because the canvas number has AB, and that is it's a giveaway now on these. They are the thinner canvases, but I've not had any issue with these at all. In terms of the stick is lovely on here. It's a square drill one. I think I am preferring square drills. You just get that nicer finish. So you get a toolkit, you get a large plate of powder wax in there, a tray, tweezers, and then you get the pen with I think that's a 4 and maybe a 9 multi-play. So they're the thinner ones as well. So, and a squishy. So there's the kit, the toolkit, yeah, I suppose. Okay, and then we have the drills. So there are 39 colours on this. And I think it is actually true 50 by 65. I'm just going to give it a quick measure across. And if it is one way, then I'll know it be the other way. Oh, it isn't. Okay, so normally with these kits, it's true to size. But this one is coming up at... This one's coming up at just over 63 centimetres. That surprises me because normally they are as advertised on these kits. So let's do a measurement this way. I'm just going to measure the height then. This one is just under 49, so we're losing maybe 2 centimetres one way and a centimetre the other way. So that's a bit odd, but it's still larger than some of the other paintings that we lose kind of at least 5 centimetres on. So let's take a look at these drills. I'm always interested in the budget-friendly kits to see how many AB drills are included and which ones we get. So let's take a little look. As I said, these are square. So we have the number from the legend, and then we have the DMC code, and then I think the number at the end corresponds to 2399. I think this is how many drills are actually in this bag. It tells you on here you need 2285, and I think 2399 is actually how many you get, just in case you've got trash. So we have so these are standard drills, standard. Then we've got and that's 310. Okay, so I've seen the first AB. That's the second AB. And I love the fact that they actually use the DMC codes even for the ABs. So if you ever want to use these as spares in other projects, then you can just oh, this one's got a hole in. It's got to have a hole. Yep, hang on, let me grab a bag. Then yeah, you can just use the AB code to, not the AB code, the DMC code. That's what I mean about my brain. I literally can't use words properly right now. Yeah, you can just use the DMC code to help with, oh no, is this gonna work? I don't think this bag's big enough, is it? Or maybe. Yeah, you can use the DMC code to help then if you want to like add some ABs into other paintings, then that will work. I just need to shove this in here so I know which one it belongs to. If I can just get this in. Okay, that's just a standard. And then let's carry on looking for these ABs. Those are standard. Any more ABs? Any more? Oh, I can see. Sometimes they're just popping out of the bag. Okay, I think those are all. Yep, so no more ABs. So we've just got, I think there's 4. So not a lot in this one. So we've got 132. Sorry, 132. Oh, that's not even a DMC code. 666. So that's the red AB. Then we've got 606, which is kind of like a orangey red AB. Then we have 720, which is like an orange, a burnt orange. And then we have 413, which is one of the greys. So this is quite a popular colour. So we've got 4 ABs included in this. I'm not going to have a look necessarily where these are going to go because there's doesn't seem to be a lot of them. So I think they're just going to be kind of scattered around a bit. So let me just pop these drills away. Whether I'm going to get to do this one this Christmas or not, I don't know. We'll see. It's a 50 by 60, so it's not a small one. And it's square as well, so it's going to take slightly longer. So we'll just have to see. If not, it can go up in my stash for next year anyway. So let me pop these away, and then I can show you the other item as well. Let me just pop that out the way. Okay, and then the other item that I chose was this, and the box seems to be bowing a bit, so I hope it's okay in here. Let's take a little look. Is there anything else in there? No. Okay, so this is a tray. It's much smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. Okay, what do we have here? Right, okay, so it shows you how to make it. Okay, so you've got a list here of all of the drills and the DMC numbers, so that's good. Then we've got here, okay, so this is the area that you diamond paint. So I went with the cupcake one. There are, I think, 8 different designs to choose from, 6 or 8. So it tells you tear off the protective film on the bottom plate. So that's this one. Find the numbers you need. So then you diamond paint this area. Remove the protected film from the PVC transparent plate. Oh, okay. So in here, there is a, let's just open it because it's going to need assembling anyway, when it's finished. Let's just get the plastic off and just take a look and make sure that I've got all the bits that I need to be able to complete this. So hold on a second. Okay, there we go. So remove the protective film from the PVC transparent plate. So here, there's like a protective film over this. And I think, yeah, so I think there'll be one either side. So it'll make it nice and clear when this is off. And then it says, when installing, the groove faces inward. Okay, so that's basically when you put these together, the grooves obviously go inwards because that's what the thing sits in. And then screw the screws at the connection. Install 3 sides first. So it looks like you put the 2 there. It's all right, my brain wasn't functioning properly then to figure out how that even worked. Okay, that needs to go in there, but I don't have the strength to do it, so I'm gonna have to ask my husband to help me with that. Screw the faces. So you put 3 bits together, and then you put the bottom insert in on that bottom one, I think, and then you put this one in the upper groove, so that protects the bottom, and then you install the last one, if that makes sense, and then you screw it all together there's a little screwdriver and some gold screws there, and you just then screw it all together to make it nice and tight. I'm so excited for this one. It is a lot smaller, but actually let me just see how high this is going to be once the Perspex is in. I'm just wondering how much higher the sides are going to be than... So, okay, so you've got maybe 1.5 inches clearance, 2 inches maybe, from where the Perspex is to like kind of the top of the tray. So yeah, it's not like a full-size tray, but it'll be great for like if you need to carry a cup of tea or anything like that in. Great for me on the sofa as well. I've got like a table next to me where I've got a load of my stuff, so I can keep like my medication and my coffee and stuff on here, just so it's out of the way. I'm terrified of knocking stuff over at the minute, so because I'm a little bit all over the place. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing this one, but there's a list here that I can use these to make stickers to help me kit up as well. I'm just going to dismantle this because it's going to need to go back in the box anyway. And then let's take a look at the drills. It's a standard toolkit with it, pen, wax, tray, and there's some bags in there as well, but I don't tend to keep those. So, and then let's take a look at the drills. I might change some of these drills up, we'll see. They are all round. There's no specials, I don't think, by the looks of things. So I might change that up and actually include some of my spares. So we've got some brown, greens, reds, peaches. I don't know if I've got any round ABs. I might have a few, but not a lot. I know that I've got a load of square ABs, but I need to have a look. So we've got like a coral, a green, a grey, pinks, pink, blues, and some more green, and then into the 3865 probably for that one. So yeah, this is going to be fun to do, but I like practical items, and I think because it's something that I can definitely use at the moment, I'm happy to try and get this one done. And again, another small project that I can just sit on the sofa and do. I'm really struggling to stay awake at the minute. I literally have no energy, so anything that can keep me distracted long enough to keep me awake then is brilliant. So hopefully this will keep me distracted long enough that it will keep me awake of an evening to be able to get this one all done. So I'm really excited for that one. So yes, thank you so much to Outdoor Tide for sending over these fun projects. One of the Christmas canvases, as I said, this might be for next year, but I definitely want to get my little tray, my cupcake tray done in time so I can actually get it used. So thank you very much, guys. I know it's been a bit of a video, so I just needed to get it out there as to what's happened. I feel like I owe people an explanation sometimes as to where I've been, and videos were just going to be all over the place at the minute. So as and when I feel well enough, which can be 10-20 minutes at the minute, then I might try and pop on and just film something, whether it's just an unboxing or something like that. Then I'll try and get on, and I've been offered help with editing my videos, so I might have to take that person up on their offer to try and make sure that I try and get some content up for you guys. But for now, thank you very much for joining me, and drop me a like on the video if you've enjoyed my little unboxing. Drop me any comments in that comment section down below, and I will see you all again in the next video. Bye guys.